Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today we're looking at T-Mobile Home Internet. So this is just something I decided to try and I wanted to share it with all of you. What you have here is an LTE gateway and it comes with its own power adapter, battery, and cover, as well as a screwdriver to screw the plate in. Looking at it, it's just a very simple light plastic device. Inside of it has, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks as well as an LTE antenna. You can use the LAN to connect to another router if you want, but I don't know if that's recommended. First thing I did was plug it in after putting the battery in and then switching it on. So once I did that, I left it for a little bit to let it connect, and my cat was very interested in the wiring for the T-Mobile Home Internet. So it's very small compared to other devices that I have, and it's quite sleek, and I hope that it works out, but I'll show you what the speed tests look like in different areas of my house. So the first thing you do is you connect to the T-Mobile Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz network, and the password is on the bottom of the device. Once I'm connected, I'm able to run some tests. So from my living room on the second floor, you could see that I got about 25 Mbps download. Now this is not very good because they said I would get at least 50 and that some people in my area were getting 100 or more. So I went up to the top floor and put it over my 3D printer, hoping that this is the closest I could get to an antenna from inside. And it was actually worse than the living room, so I got 25 download, but the ping was pretty bad. So I went to another side of the house here in the home gym near the glass, and still I could not get more than what you see here, which was about 20 downloads. So I currently get over 150 all the time with Cox, and going to something like this that seems to have about 20 to 25 even in different parts of the house is not something that I want to do yet. So I was told that there is a 5G version of this coming next year. I'll definitely give that a try when it comes out, but for the meantime I'm going to have to return this back to T-Mobile and wait for the 5G version. So I hope this review or test was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for future videos. I'll see you in the next one.